Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you unboxing and first look of a new Boker Plus knife that I added to my collection. This will be another Jesper Voxnaes design. This is the Fieldfolder. The model number is 01BO375. It comes in the standard big sturdy box with the pouch. Inside we have some literature and there is the tool for, let me grab it out. So for the, if you would like to disassemble the knife itself, some literature about the warranty and so on, standard stuff. So the knife comes really nicely wrapped in paper, and here is the knife itself. So because I do collect Jesper's designs, I had to get also this one, and this is what I would say rather more tactically oriented design from him. Usually he is known for those utilitarian EDC type outdoor type knives, smaller size, really comfortable fitting in the hand, but this one is a little bit on the larger side. So if you are looking for something in between a mid-size EDC and a little bit longer tactically oriented or looking knife, then check out this beautiful Vox Fieldfolder. Okay, so let me give you the specifications. So we have an over length of 20.5 centimeters, that's 8.1 inch. The blade is 8.5 centimeters or 3.3 inches. The blade width is 2.8 centimeters, 1.1 inch. Thickness is 3.3 millimeters, 0.13 inches. The handles are 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches long, with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. On the blade we have D2 with this beautifully stressed black stone-washed finish, with a beautiful drop point flat grounded blade. On the handles we have medium textured G10, and we have nested stainless steel liners which are not skeletonized but polished. As far as pivot assembly go, we have Phosfor washers. You can see right there the white colors. Yeah, it gives the knife a really nice and smooth action without using bearings. Centering is, let's see, I would say almost perfect. We have a partial backspacer made out of brass with a really oversized lanyard hole. If you prefer to carry a lanyard on your knives, then this is something for you. You can definitely put anything you like through this, any kind of cord, paracord, and so on. For the pocket clip we have thankfully a medium or light stiffness folded over style with flush screws, so everything on this one was designed to be EDC perfection as far as inserting the knife into the pocket goes, and also taking out. Let me show you the pocket profile really quickly. And as far as the tactical aspect goes, this is not a true deep carry, because you will have to have more sticking out to positively grab the knife and get it out. So it will go inside the pocket without any problems. It's really a lightweight construction with this milled out portion right there. You can see not heat treated as it should be. So big thumbs up from me to this design choice. Now let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, really nice and sharp. Given that this is D2, it will take a really nice sharp edge, but please be careful, this is not a stainless steel, so it can rust on you, but with the black Stonewash it will a little bit help, but you also should use your favorite anti-corrosive inhibitor on this one, or if you don't have anything, then just use some vegetable oil. On the blade we have seen the Jesper Voxnaes design logo and D2 steel on the other side, and Boker logo on this side with the serial number. I got the 0646 on my one. We have another really nice design feature here, that the really 3D milled pivot screw, and also a brass, I would say brass color to match the brass backspacer. If they would put blacked out screws, also the blacked out pocket clip, these will be probably a really true stealth tactical looking knife, but I really appreciate those details on, leaving them. The knife has a little bit more character than another blacked out knife. We have really nice milling going on the scales, so you can definitely disengage the button and the liner lock without any problems. Had really nice early engagement, so this will definitely last you a long time. Okay, so for weight we have 145.4 grams, that is 5.1 ounces. I suggest if they would skeletonize the liners, they can shave off a little bit more, and maybe if they would use aluminium, not brass, that will also shave up a little bit more on the weight. But these design features are have their place in the overall design, so that is definitely not a minus point. Overall, it has a really nice compact shape. The handle is compact shape, so it is really nicely completely neutral. So even you have a large hand or small hand, you will accommodate it without any problems. I have an XL size hand, and I still can get my 4-finger purchase on it. As you can see, Jesper does like put the jimping more towards the middle of the blade. So if you like to use a precision cutting motion, that you will probably put your finger more towards the front of the blade than have it on the back side. For the opening feature, we have a what I will say a Strider opening hole, and with that being said, let's see a size comparison. So here is my Strider SNG. I forgot to mention that the pricing, so these our MSRP is at $114.95. Usually they will be around the $99.95, so around $100. And for my European based viewers, it is around 90 euros. These obviously can differ from a dealer, so check out Boker knives are usually sometimes on sale, and you can save up lots of money. Okay, so this was the SNG. Let's continue with another Jesper Voxnaes design. This is the 3.5 f3.5, also from Boker Plus. If you are looking for something with a wider blade and with a micarta, then this is something you should check out. Probably the only minus is that they are using stainless steel, so it is a little bit heavy for the size that you are getting. But if they were using titanium, they will be asking a lot more money. Okay, so let's continue with the Giant Knives Ace Grand, a collaboration between Jesper Voxnaes and Zanzo. This is one of my favorites EDC knives, and as you can see the evolution of from the tactical to the EDC design. Also excellent iteration from Jesper's design is from the Pillar family. This is the Pillar 4 with a beautiful clip point profile blade. So you're looking for something really nice, lightweight, and as you can see also the accent is there. Then check out the Pillar 4, or if you're looking for something smaller, then the original Pillar 1 is still one of my favorite knives that I highly recommend. If you would like to have something on with a tanto blade, then check out the CRKT Amicus. I don't know if they are still in production, but some dealers should have them on stock, and like I mentioned, this is my previous observations. This is another excellent design, beautiful stone-washed frame and aluminium backspacer. So another beautiful Jesper Voxnaes design. Okay, let's continue with some other well-known knives. So here is the Rat Model 1. Let's continue with the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Spyderco Delica. Paramilitary 3. Kaiser Bergleiter 2. There is a CVV Elementum. Benchmade 940. QSP Penguin. Full-size Griptilian from Benchmade. Small Griptilian from Benchmade. Benchmade Bug Out. Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. These are made in China, and overall I must say this is another excellent medium to lightweight tactical EDC. All the nice features are there, so you have smooth action opening, excellent pocket clip action, so this will be a really pleasure to carry it, taking out and put it in your pockets. Yeah, what to say more, beautifully stone-washed blade. Yeah, in my opinion, this only needs a brown micarta variant, and this will be one of the best EDC technically oriented knives that are under $100. Okay, so with that being said, if you have any questions, please do comment down below. I'm happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.